In this video, I want to talk about some work from home jobs where you can earn around $3,200 per month. These are no phone jobs, meaning that your primary function or duties won't require you to be on the phones. You may have to do email or chat or something else. Also, these jobs or some of these jobs do require experience, but it is minimal experience. So basically, you just need to have experience in something. It doesn't really matter, just some professional experience somewhere. And these are 100% remote work from home jobs. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into this video. And so the first company I want to talk about is UMA, the Ultimate Medical Academy. Now they have a couple of job listings right here. You can go through these jobs and they have more roles as well. But the particular job that I want to talk about is going to be this position right here. It is a admissions representative, and this is a US remote position. Now, if you're looking for a worldwide job, I do have some, or at least one in this video, so stick around for that. But right here, you can see that this job is going to start out at around $19.23. That's how much you'll be making. These are all the benefits that you get working here. So you'll get life insurance, $50,000, that is company paid. You get additional voluntary life insurance. You're eligible for it if you want to. You also get medical, dental, vision. You get short-term disability, long-term disability. You get paid time off, 15 days in year one, 9 holidays. You also get one VTO day as well. You also get a 401k plan, pet insurance, identity theft protection, and a bunch of other perks. Now, for this position, the admissions representative, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll be contacting potential students utilizing the most appropriate method of contact, which could include phone, but not always. So it could be phone, email, or however you'll decide the most appropriate method to set up information sessions. You'll also complete and maintain all required paperwork to include enrollment, transfer request, and so on. You'll also schedule appointments on campus for campus tours. You'll also refer students as appropriate to student finance or correct departments. Also, you'll follow all training and guidance as you were given. Now, for the requirements for this position, you need to have a high school diploma or the equivalent. And for experience, you need to have 2 years of previous experience in education, customer service, sales, or related field. And this is kind of broad. I mean, education, customer service, sales are kind of wide and far apart. So basically here, if you have 2 years of experience in a professional environment, then that would make do here. Also, support diverse and inclusive work environment, presents information in a factual and ethical manner to prospective students, ability to uncover the needs, desires, and strengths of prospective students and help them. As for preferred requirements, associate's degree or higher, 3 years of direct sales and customer service experience, and typing 40 plus words per minute. There are some free tools online that you can use to test your typing speed, and if you're not fast enough, then that is something that you can practice, but this is preferred, not required. This is going to be a full-time work from home position. All you need is a home office or just a quiet place to work, distraction-free, where you have access to high-speed or a high-speed internet connection. Also, you need the flexibility to work weekends and evenings as needed, and this is a full-time position. So I'll leave the link down below for this position. If you are interested, go ahead and apply. And also, you can go back to all the jobs here. So these are featured jobs, but you can look at some of the other jobs that they have listed here. Perhaps you may find something else that you're interested in that you could do apart from this position that I'm covering. And again, you get a 401k plan with a 4% match. You get dental, medical, and vision plans rather. And also you get 15 days of PTO in your first year. And as you grow with the company, they will add more PTO to that as well. Now we go over to Glassdoor, just in case you've never heard about this company before. They are listed on Glassdoor. They have a ton of reviews here, over 1,000 reviews. So for example, first review here says they have, and by the way, they have a 4.0 out of 5 stars overall rating on Glassdoor. But the best reasons to work at UMA include management that wants you to grow, flexible work arrangements, and cons here, not so much a downside, but adjustment is working from home. So that's probably something specific to that person, them having to get used to or getting used to working from home. Now, if we go over to salaries, we can see how much other people reported making here for different positions. And we probably don't need to look at this because we already know what this position pays. It starts out at 19 plus per hour. But admissions representative right here, on average, based on over 170 salaries, is $51,000 per year, ranges anywhere from $44,000 to $59,000. Again, I'll leave the link down below. Go ahead and apply if you are interested in this one. Now, next on the list is going to be a creator / customer support specialist, which is 100% remote, and this is worldwide. So if you're looking for a worldwide remote job, you're not inside the US or Canada, then this is one that you can look into, and this is paying $34,000 to $36,000 per year, which is really good if you're working outside of the US. Probably in some other country where the cost of living is significantly lower, then this would be a really good remote job for you. Now, before we go any further, I just want to say, if you're new here, first time coming across and hear my voice, my name is Eann. On this channel, I cover jobs like these and ways to make money. So if you like these videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe. That way you won't miss the updates of when I post similar new videos. And when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification icon, because that's the only way you'd get notified of the new videos that I post. If you ever want to talk to me one-on-one about these jobs or just about anything, you can message me on Instagram, leaving the link down below. Also, some resources that I want to remind you guys about, or if you've never heard of them before, the Pro Resume templates here. These are professional resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. These are to help you land more interviews. Also, ATS system kind of filters out all the resumes. So if you are having trouble and you've not been getting any interviews, then maybe your resume is not optimized for the ATS system. So that's something you want to correct. I can also show you how to make your resume. This comes with 3 templates: cover letters, reference pages, thank you letters. They come in sections with instructions per section, so you know exactly what to put, how to customize your resume for the specific job that you're applying for. There's also a video in here showing you exactly how to edit these in just under 5 minutes. You can use Google Docs, which is free, so that's there. And also, if you want to go ahead and create your own resume, this is the ultimate job hunting guide. There is a section in here that shows you how to create the perfect unique resume, which is also going to be ATS optimized as well. So if you want to do this yourself, then you can definitely do so. I found out that it takes around 5 months from the date you send out your first application to land a job, and also with you sending out roughly 50 applications per week at the minimum. So this covers just about everything that you should be doing if you're looking for a job, and some of these things you probably just don't know, you never knew, so this is why you're struggling with landing interviews. So if you need these resources, they're here. I'll leave the links down below. But let's get back to the other job right here. So this is the customer support specialist or creator support specialist at vidIQ. And this is, I mean, it could be full-time, but this is a contract position. It's a 3-month contract, but here it says with the possibility of extension, right? So here you'll be assisting users with their inquiries and providing timely and accurate solutions, build strong relationships with users, ensuring their satisfaction with our services, collecting feedback from users, and sharing it with the product development team so as to help improve the platform. Also, for the requirements here, they want someone with excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, strong problem-solving abilities. They do want some experience here. They want someone with 2 years of experience in providing customer support. So if you've done customer support before, or some professional experience that has something to do with that, you could use that here. Also, knowledge of YouTube and other social media platforms, because vidIQ is actually a tool that people use on YouTube to optimize their videos and their content to find a bigger audience. So if you do have knowledge of YouTube and social media platforms, that would be a plus. Also, understanding of video content creation and optimization, attention to detail and accuracy, ability to work 4 a.m. to 12 p.m., including one weekday, proficiency using customer support tools software like Stripe, Asana, Intercom, and you can go through all the job requirements here. Now, nice to haves. If you already have a YouTube channel, something that I've always encouraged you guys to do, because this is another way to make money remotely, then that would be a plus here, because that would show that you actually know about YouTube and other social media platforms. And if you speak any other languages, that would also be a plus here. So I'm leaving the link down below for this one as well. You can go ahead and apply. But again, for this job, it's 100% remote worldwide. So definitely apply if you're outside the US or Canada and you're looking for a remote work from home job. Now we could go over to Glassdoor. vidIQ has 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is exceptionally high. Usually I don't find companies that go much over 4 stars here. So great place to work, it seems, and they do have reviews. One review here: I have never had a job where I have felt more valued. The amount of time and attention that has gone into training me, and you could go through and read this entire review. Cons: sometimes the homework for the training was a bit overwhelming. So we could also look at salaries, although we know what that particular position pays, because we saw that right here. It pays $34,000 to $36,000 USD per year. But here you can see what other people made here based on the job position. So creator support agent, which would be similar to that, is the range is 46 to 77,000 per year. But this is based on only one salary submitted, so may not be that accurate. Now, finally, if you are outside the US or Canada, or if you're inside, doesn't matter, worldwide, this is something else that you can do to make some money online. This is Humanatic. Here you get paid to review calls. So you listen to a recorded phone call, you answer questions about it with the click of a button, and you earn real money. Now, I will say that this won't make you tons of cash. This is definitely probably not good for full-time employment, but if you just need some extra cash on the side and you're outside the US, then this is another great way to make some extra money. All you really need here is a PayPal account so you can get paid, but this is something else that you can look into. Now, on Glassdoor, they don't have that many salaries listed here, but we could go ahead and see what people have reported making here. So call reviewer, which is probably the same thing, based on 4 salaries submitted, $30,000 per year, 36 on average. So that's what you could make. But again, this depends on how much you do or how much time you spend doing this. But I would say don't expect to make a ton of money here, but still a good way to make some money, get some income if you're struggling to find a remote job and you're also outside of the US. So comment down below. Let me know if you've ever worked at Humanatic before, or if you've ever worked at vidIQ or done a similar job, or probably even UMA. Comment down below. Let us know what the experience was like. So with that said, all the best in finding that dream remote job that you're searching for, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.